Major renovations are on the way for the University of Detroit Mercy campus at McNichols.
The university breaking ground today on a multi-million-dollar project that will create a new vibrant hub for students and many more upgrades. The new construction part of a multi-phase plan to make the campus more sustainable and state-of-the-art. There are plans to expand the student union, giving it a big facelift. Crews will also eventually demolish two older buildings that are expensive to maintain. There will also be new on-campus student apartments and green space where students can hang out.
This project was really originally supposed to start in the summertime, so we're very happy that we're able to start now. The construction team is ready to go on it. So some things are going to be inside. Where we're standing right now, for example, is going to be a sunken plaza. So there's a lot of work that can be done during the winter time. So we're really hoping that we can stay on schedule with this.
We're told the $60 million renovation is expected to be complete within 2 years.